Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if Google Chrome is running slow or lagging on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. For the best results I recommend to follow all these steps. First step, you just need to close unnecessary tabs. Chrome uses significant resources for each open tab. Close tabs you no longer need to reduce memory usage and improve performance. Second step, you just need to clear cache and cookies. To do this, click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, you just need to select privacy and security. On right side, select delete browsing data. In here, you just need to check mark cookies and other site data and check mark cached images and files. You just need to set this time range to all time and select the delete data option. Third step, you just need to disable unnecessary extensions. To do this, on left side you just need to scroll down and select extensions. Disable or remove extensions that you no longer needed. Fourth step, you just need to disable hardware acceleration. To do this, you just need to select the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side you just need to select the system. On right side, use graphics acceleration when available, turn it off and select the relaunch option. Fifth step, you just need to update Google Chrome. To do this, on left side you just need to select update Chrome and it will automatically check for updates. After getting Chrome up to date, you just need to disable preloading of pages. To do this, go to search menu and type preload. Comes up preload pages, disable it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Chrome slow or lagging problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.